Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you which fuses and which relays to check in case your front wipers are not working. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. All the fuses and relays will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood just in front of the battery under this cover. Now to remove the cover you will have three black tabs, one here and one here. So when press these clips together and lift up to unlock it. Once you have the cover off, on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and right here this white piece, this is the fuse puller which you can use to remove any of the fuses. First fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 54, which is a 30 amp fuse located right here, responsible for power to front wiper. Now this fuse only applies to 2018 and 2019 GMC Terrains, I believe. If you have 2020 or newer, you will not have this fuse. And just next to it there is a fuse number F55, which is a 30 amp fuse responsible for front wiper speed control. So these are the two fuses. And two relays to check will be relay K04, which is down here, responsible for wiper control, and K09 located here, responsible for wiper speed. Now the best way to test this relay is using the multimeter. If you don't have one, you can also try replacing any of these amongst each other and see if that helps. If it does, then just buy a new relay and replace it. In case all of the fuses and relays are good, then you will have to dig a bit deeper and start looking towards wiper switch, possible wiring issue, or the wiper motor. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.